Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do the part 3 of the basic geometry terms. So now let us see for the circle. So if this is the point in the circle, so this is called the center. So now this one, this is only the half part which passes means from the center to this one is radius. The radius can be also, it can be like this one, but it is the half of the circle. It can be anyways. So this any line, this one from this half part, that is called the radius, and this from here to here, this is called the diameter. So that, but diameter again should pass to the center of the circle. So it can be like this. Anyways, it can be that all can be considered as the diameter. But now, can you see this one? This is the chord. So chord doesn't pass. This is the center. Chord can be from here, from here, from here. It doesn't pass to the center. So this is called the chord. So now the other term is the tangent. So tangent means it is just touching the circle over here. So this is called the tangent. So we can give it any name over here. Then the minor arc. Minor arc means this is the small portion which has been shaded. The measure of a minor arc is defined to be the measure of its central angle. This is the central angle. And the major arc means this is the bigger side. This one is the minor and this is the major one. So measure of this one, major arc, is defined as the difference between 360 and the measure of its associated minor arc. From 360, because this whole angle is 360 and this part is the minor arc. So from 360, if we subtract this one, suppose this is 30 degree. So if we subtract this 30 degree, so that is going to be 330. So this is going to be the, this is called the major arc. Hope you got this from, because this is the full circle. From there one, if you are subtracting the smaller one. So here the example is given here. It can be anything. This can be 30. Just I give you an example. It can be 60. It can be anything. The minor arc, if you subtract it, that is the major arc. So now here, this is a quadrilateral and it is inscribed in a, means it is in a circle. So we say it is inscribed in a circle. So a quadrilateral can be inscribed in a circle when, if and only if its opposite angles are supplementary. These are the opposite angles. So this plus this is going to be 180. Supplementary means 180. This and this, the opposite ones are supplementary. So here PQRS lie on same circle if and only if measure angle P plus R, what I said, that is be 180 degree, and measure angle Q plus measure angle S, that is going to be 180 degree. This is what is written over here. So now these are the, if two chords intersect in the interior of a circle, it can be anywhere, then the measure of each angle is 1/2 the sum of the measures of the arcs intercepted by the angle and its vertical angle. So measure angle this one. So this will be half of measure angle R plus this one. So measure angle 1, this will be the half part of the measure, this arc. This is called, this is the arc SR plus measure angle, that will be PQ. So whenever you write here, you put SR and you put like this. This is the arc. So see, that is, this is called the arc. So this is measure angle 1 is half of measure SR, arc SR plus measure angle PQ. And measure angle 2, this will be, what is that? That will be for QR, the arc QR plus measure angle PS. Hope you got this. So measure angle 2 is half of measure angle QR plus measure angle PS. Now see how to find the equation of circles. Now suppose now this is the circle, and the center of the circle, this can be written as H and K, and from here to here this is the radius, and this point, this is XY. So suppose the radius of circle is R and the center is HK, this is H and K. So let XY be any point on the circle. This is the circle, on that one there is a point on the circle. So the distance between XY and XK, so the distance between this and this one is R. So this is r, right? From here to here, this is r. So we can use the distance formula. So what is the distance formula? So now what we can do here, x minus h whole bracket square root of, you have to write, and y minus k plus y minus k whole bracket square. So see here, root of x minus h whole bracket square plus y minus k whole bracket square, that is r. So when you square both sides, what is going to happen here? When you square this as well as this, so the root for this side, the root goes off, and here you get r square. So this is the standard form of a, that is the equation of a circle. So this is very important. You have to use this equation of a circle in many places. So if the center is the origin, then the standard equation is called as, so here if this is 0 and 0, so then what is the formula for that one? Means this here becomes 0 and this also becomes 0. So what will you get here? X minus 0 means that is going to be x square, and y minus 0 means it is going to be y square. So x square plus y square, that is r square. So you have to remember both one. If it is if the center is the origin means 0 and 0 if the points are 0 and 0. Now what is the formula for the circumference of a circle? Circumference of a circle means, we don't say perimeter of a circle, usually we say the circumference of a circle, that is 2 pi r. So here we can also write this as, sometimes the diameter is been given. So this one, this is the radius of a circle and this is the half part of it. And when we extend this one total, that means that is the diameter. So what we can say, this one diameter is 2 times of radius, isn't it? So here what we can see here 2r. So for that 2r, this pi will be as it is, and this 2r, that is d. So we can say d is the diameter of the circle and r is the radius of the circle. Hope you got this both formulas. Then the arc length. This is the arc length. This is point AB. In a circle, the ratio of the length of a given arc to the circumference is equal to the ratio of the measure of the arc to 360. So what we can write here? Arc length of AB, this one, divided by 2 pi r is equal to measure angle, this arc AB divided by 360. So we can write here arc length of AB, this one, this will go here. So that is going to be what? This whole thing as it is. So into 2 pi r. So this dot says that is multiplication. So now the semicircle. Semicircle means the full circle is this one. The half part of that one, it can be like this or it can be like this. Anyways, so the circle, the circumference of a circle, that is 2 pi r. So semicircle means the half part of it. So you are going to write here 1 by 2 into 2 pi r. So now how will you do here? And this is for this one, and length of the 90-degree arc, that is going to be 1/4. So see here, this is 90 degrees, this is the point, and this is 90 degree. Semi means it is going to be this a half part, that is going to be half into 2 pi r, because the whole part is 2 pi r. Semi is going to be half, that will be half into here. But when is the same, this is 1/4. 90 degree means that is going to be 1/4 of this circle. So that we are going to write here 1/4 into 2 pi r. Hope you got this one. So this can be also written here 2 2s are, that will be pi r by 2. So to understand it better, let us skip this 1/4 into 2 pi r, because that is 90 degree. So area of a circle, that is pi r square. Then the sector of a circle. So now see here, the ratio of the area of a sector of a circle to the area of the circle is equal to the ratio of the measure of the intercepted arc to 360 degree. So A by pi r square is equal to measure angle, this one AB, this is the arc AB, divided by 360 degree. So we can also write this one, this will go on this side if we multiply this one. So the area, this one A is going to be, this will be as it is, and this is going to be into pi r square. This will go on this side. So it is going to get multiplied. So this is that is the sector of a circle, the formula for this one. So now you know the perimeter. Perimeter means we can see for a perimeter of the square. That is, see here, this is a square. Perimeter means sum of all sides. So this is S, that is going to be 4S. Then the perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle, this is a rectangle. Again, this is both sides are L and L. These are the Either we can say width or we can say breadth, both are the same. So this one, so what will we write here? This, we are going to add all sides. So this will be 2L and this is going to be 2W, that will be 2L plus 2W. And then when we, this is one term, this is the other term. So when we take 2 common, that is going to be L plus W, that is the width. So this is the formula. And perimeter of a triangle, this is the perimeter, and you know the triangle, if this is A, this is B, this is C. So you are going to add all A plus B plus C. And circumference, we don't say perimeter of circle, but we say circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r. Surface area. Now see, let us see the surface area of right prism. So this will be 2B plus pH here. Surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi rh. Now surface area of regular pyramid, B plus half PL. Surface area of right cone. So this is going to be pi r square plus pi rl. Surface area of sphere, that is 4 pi r square. So this you have to remember. Now let us see the volume. Volume of cube, that is S cube. Volume of pyramid, that is half into BH. Volume of cone, 1 by 3 pi r square bit, pi r square h. Volume of cylinder, pi r square h. See, this is 1 by 3 pi r square h and this is pi r square h. So just see the difference between both of them. Then volume of prism, that is BH. Volume of sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now for the areas, let us see, for the area of square means, this is S and S. When we take the area, so we just take these two sides, that is S square. Again, the for the rectangle, length, width. So just we take length and this width. So the area of parallelogram, that is BH, that is breadth into height. Area of triangle, half into BH. So now you know area of triangle. Now this is a rectangle. If we take half of this one, so what is that going to be? This is length and this is the breadth. So what will we write here? So we can write this as, so this we can also write this as, we consider this one, the half of it if we take, this is the base, we can consider this base, and this is the height of it. So what we can write here? Half into, because this is a half part, base into height. So half into base into height. So area of trapezium. Now this is a trapezium. So these are the parallel sides of it. So now this is considered this as B1 and this as B2. And this is going to be the height of it. So now what will you write? That half into B1 plus B2 multiplied by height. Area of equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 S square. Area of circle, that is pi r square. Area of sector means measure arc. This is called the arc AB divided by 360 into pi r square. See here, area, you should remember the area means, you know the area formula, that is pi r square. And whenever this one, the length is given, that will be 2 pi r. So here the area is pi r square. So this we have to remember how. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.